Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pasta using an easy method. Making fresh pasta at home is simpler than you might think, and the taste is incredibly rewarding. We'll start by combining just two main ingredients, flour and eggs. This basic recipe is a fantastic foundation for many delicious pasta dishes. Let's get started on creating that perfect dough. Once your dough comes together, it's time for the crucial kneading process. This develops the gluten, giving your pasta its wonderful texture. Aim for about 8 to 10 minutes of kneading until the dough feels smooth and elastic. After kneading, wrap it up and let it rest. This resting period is essential for relaxing the gluten, making the dough much easier to roll out later. Now for the fun part, rolling and cutting your pasta. Divide your rested dough into manageable portions. Using a pasta machine or a rolling pin, roll each piece until it's incredibly thin, roughly 1/16 of an inch. The thinner you roll it, the more delicate your pasta will be. Then, cut it into your favorite shapes, whether that's fettuccine, tagliatelle, or something else entirely. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your homemade pasta. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Fresh pasta cooks very quickly, usually in just 2 to 4 minutes, so keep a close eye on it. Once al dente, drain it and toss it immediately with your favorite sauce. For more cooking inspiration and to discover new recipes, check the description for a link to a great digital reader and other deals. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.